My hair like officially just always looks like shit. Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. Today we are doing our May Guzel unboxing. This is a beauty box. It's slightly new. This is only my third one. And I'm still deciding whether or not I want to keep it. Last month, as I was editing my April video, I had realized something that I didn't know prior. The price of this box is actually $20 a month. Now, I pay $15 a month, and I wondered why that was, so I went and asked whoever runs their Instagram, and they had said, okay, well, you signed up for it when it was like on sale, like there was like a box sale. So my continued price is $15 a month because I signed up for it when I did. Normally it's $20 a month. Now, when I think of a $20 a month box that I think is worth it, I think of BoxyCharm or my Korean beauty boutique box. The boxes prior to this one, I definitely didn't think were worth the price. Like a $20 box better be as good as a regular $20 box would be. Like BoxyCharm, Boutique, I don't know a lot of other boxes around the $20 mark, but those always have exciting things in them. Even though BoxyCharm, you know, there's not 80 things, there's always interesting things that are not very accessible. And I think that's what bothers me about the last few boxes of this. Tended to be more things I could just go to the drugstore and buy, but things I wouldn't actually buy myself. So I haven't been completely wowed up until this point. So let's see if this box changes my mind. It comes with a card. The other thing is, if you're already putting a card in here, you're literally just writing nothing on it. So why not just write what's in the box? All right, the first thing I see, something always comes in like this cute little kind of bag. I already see a NYX product. We have a lip lingerie in Beauty Mark. I already have this. And this cargo, I do like cargo. I will actually use this because I don't have any lip primers that I love right now. All right, so, but this is nice. Oh, this is nice. I thought this was gonna be a liner, but I don't really own many NYX brushes. So this is a NYX angled liner brush. I do have a few liner brushes, angled brushes, but I actually kind of like this one because it's very short. So that's kind of cool. So this will go in my yes pile. All right, the next thing is a Floral Therapy facial sheet mask. Okay, it's a sheet mask. They're fine. I'm not like overly wowed by sheet masks, but okay. All right, and it looks like we have a scarf. Now, this makes me think this came from the dollar store. This does not feel very nice at all. All right, and the last thing in here is it looks like an eyeshadow palette. I've never heard of this brand. And I definitely will look this up because this also looks kind of cheap. And we'll do a few swatches, because why the hell not? Okay, so it looks kind of nice. It kind of reminds me of the Morphe setup that they used to have with like their square eyeshadow palettes. These are nice looking, okay. Oh, and you know what? They do actually feel nice. Not very pigment. The really pigmented one is this like peachy color. The rest are pretty bland. I will try it though, and actually see how it works in the eyes, but this isn't bad though. I mean, like, this is kind of the thing that I was talking about. Now, if I find out this was also from the dollar store, I will scream. I don't know. I don't know how many chances I should give this box before I cancel. I'm definitely not wowed by it by any means. Nothing I got was like, oh my gosh, this is great. I feel like there should be at least one of those kind of products in a box you're spending money on. There should be at least one product that you're like, wow, this is awesome. I don't think I've gotten anything from this brand or box brand that I've actually been impressed by. I mean, like, there were cool things and like okay things, but like, I just feel like you should get at least one wow product. That's it. I'm not asking for, you know, the new Kat Von D eyeshadow palette, but something. I mean, I don't know exactly how it works when you start your own beauty box, but there's gotta be a wow factor. There just has to be. All right, so that was it. I'm definitely going to give it one more month, but next month will definitely be my make it or break it month. Like, if it's a good box, I'll keep going. If it's not, I'm just cutting it. And then it'll be time to find a new one. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.